Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Mardi Gras cupcakes. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 1 package of white cake mix. Then you need 1 cup of sour cream, 2/3 cup of some kind of oil. I'm using vegetable oil, but you could use canola. 1/3 cup of sugar, 4 large eggs, and you want those at room temperature. Then you need 3 tablespoons each of the lemon, the lime, and the grape jello. You aren't going to use the whole thing. You just need 3 tablespoons for the colors, the green, the purple, and the yellow. Then you need 1 can at least of frosting, and you want that to be some kind of white frosting. If you like to put a lot of frosting on top of your cupcakes, you'll want to get 2 because we are going to make 24 cupcakes. And then we are going to top those off with some pretty sanding sugar in the green, purple, and yellow or gold colors for Mardi Gras, because the purple stands for justice, the green for faith, and the yellow or gold for power. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to preheat our oven to 350, and then you're going to want to line 2 cupcake tins with liners, because we are, like I said, we are going to make 24 of these. So go ahead and get out a large bowl. All right, in this large bowl, I have my cake mix, sour cream, oil, sugar, and my 4 eggs. And I'm going to beat that on low for 30 seconds and then on medium for 2 minutes. All right, that looks perfect. So next we are going to go ahead and divide this evenly into 3 bowls. All right, these look pretty even to me. So now we are just going to add 3 tablespoons of one of the colors to each bowl. So this one's going to be the purple, the green, and the yellow. And you just want to stir that until it's nice and combined. All right, here is what my 3 colors look like. The purple is not very purple, so I might put a little more in there just because I really want it to stand out. The green is awesome, and of course the yellow is awesome because it really was already yellow. It just made it a little more bright. And the reason we are using the jello and not food coloring, I think is for the taste, because these will have a very fruity, yummy taste. But if you wanted to skip that part and do food coloring, I'm sure that would be fine. But like I said, I'm going to add a little more to my purple to see what happens. I added another tablespoon, but it really didn't do much. So next we are going to go ahead and start filling up our muffin tins. Remember, put a liner in there, of course, but we're just going to do about 2 tablespoons of each flavor into each muffin tin. All right, that part took a little while, but I'm really happy with the way they look. They just really look really cute. And I just dolloped on 1 color at a time because it's really thick, so it kind of stays in place, which is nice because then the colors aren't going to really run together. They're going to bake up really nice. So that is what mine looks like. You can see some of the purple is on top, some of the purple's on bottom. It doesn't matter how you do it. Like I said, I just took big dollops and just made sure I had enough. Sometimes I had to borrow a little bit. But these are ready to go into the oven for 18 to 22 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean at 350. All right, my cupcakes just came out of the oven and they look so cute. So you definitely do not want to use food color, and you definitely want to use the jello because it makes the batter a lot thicker and it just makes them not run together, so you can really see all 3 colors in these. They're really cute. So we're going to let these set out for 10 minutes and then we're going to remove them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. All right, all my cupcakes cooled off, and I just moved them to a cooling rack here and piped on my frosting. I said I wasn't going to pipe it on, but it just looks so cute that way. And I did have enough frosting. I just didn't go all the way to the edges, which I didn't want to anyway because I wanted you to be able to see the awesome cupcakes. And then we just added all of the sanding sugar. You can't really see the yellow as well. It's in there though. Let's see, there's one you could see. But I think they turned out so cute, and I cannot wait for Taste Tester to have a little taste. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Happy Mardi Gras.